Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make a homemade pie crust. It's a tender and flaky crust with a rich buttery flavor. Homemade pie crust is quick and easy to make. In the bowl of a food processor, add in 2½ cups of flour, half a tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt, and pulse to combine. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then you're going to add in half a pound of cold unsalted butter, straight from the fridge, and you want to dice up the butter into small pieces. Then pulse the mixture together until coarse crumbs form with some pea-sized pieces. It should be dry and powdery at this point. Now you're going to add in exactly 6 tablespoons of ice water. Then you're going to pulse just until moist clumps or some balls of dough form. Now to test that you have added enough water, press some of the dough between your fingertips and it should stick together. If you overmix or add too much water, the dough will be sticky and difficult to roll out. Then transfer the dough to a clean surface and pull it together quickly with your hands. Now you don't want to knead the dough at this point, you just want to pull it together, then divide it in half and flatten to form 2 equal discs. Then wrap each disc with a sheet of plastic wrap and chill in the refrigerator for at least an hour before using. Once you have made this homemade pie crust, you won't go back to store-bought. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this homemade pie crust. In the comments below, I would love to hear what pie you guys would make with this pie crust. And you guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!